So what we are essentially saying is that if we go and ask for funding from the central government, and then a scheme can be made by state government, basically on three fronts. One is strengthening infrastructure in the jetties. And again I am saying it is not only for iron ore, it's for many other commodities. For example, food grains, bentonite, wooden chips, there are so many things, fertilizers, and reviving of the barges. Because you will need barges to carry all these commodities. The theme is that we need to look at logistics as a separate industry. 45 days you will have the DPR. Based on DPR, then government will write to the central government asking for funding. Because we also need to say how we are going to pay it back.
So from Goa with GST now you can go to hinterland of Maharashtra, Karnataka, which state will get earn the revenue. Employment will definitely go up because of this.
पोर्ट्स मंत्री मायकलान सरकाराचो प्लान सांगलो.
That is from Sagarmala project. Finance has to agree to give it to us. We will rope in EDC to give this money to the industry as a 7-year repayable loan. So once 100 crores come, so it will be given to different industry to build infrastructure near the jetty where loading, unloading, cargo facilities, everything can be made not in government land, it will be given made in private land. We are also looking out for tourism related inland tourism to promote. So we will build some nice floating jetties, nothing permanent, and tourists can go from one destination to the other by inland waterways so that we decongest the roads.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.